Scotty, you were doing some chrome earlier.
Yep.
And
So we've got 98% of the chrome cleaned up, and it came out really, really nice.
It's pretty damn nice.
You know, I didn't
It's
have
a little more polished, but we're good.
Yeah, and I'm not worried about getting it perfect and flawless and blah, 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 blah. I just want it nice. That was it, done. But it was more concentration on getting all the drip rails cleared out.
And
Ken, we have a problem. We have a
Big.
very serious problem.
Big
Are
issue.
you ready? 3, 2.
That, boys and girls, is a solid.
Half-inch piece of Bondo.
Yeah, it's got half.
And that
plus
is wood.
there's a piece of wood in here under the roof skin.
Yep.
We knew this was bad.
Yeah.
But we thought it was just a skim of well, not a skim of filler, but you know, there was definitely some filler. But the more you look at it,
The worse it gets.
Permission to pull this out?
I mean, we can, but
I mean, you kind of got to. Oh my God.
yeah, it's
Concrete. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
yeah.
Oh my God. Sticks and stems and sticky.
Yeah. And that is the inside of the car.
Oh my God. See?
I don't know if you're able to see in there, but that's literally the inside of the car. Be careful. You will actually poke.
The headliner.
Yep. So we're going to have to vacuum that out. We've got to...
God.
When you get
this whole
yeah,
rail.
it's well, we knew this was bad, so
Yeah.
that's not an issue. But we did not know it was this bad.
Yeah.
We just didn't.
So Ken.
When you get the chance, buddy,
Yeah, when
we'll send you...
when you're back, we're gonna send you this. When you're back in town, we will probably have a powwow on this. To be honest.
So I'll keep going with what I can with the interior.
God.
I've got... Now, I don't know if you guys can see this, if Bobby films in on that. If you look down the drip rail itself, go on the inside,
Ugh.
it's all cleared out.
Yeah.
All the way down both sides. Which it came out a lot easier than I thought. I was like, I didn't really have to spend a whole long time on it.
We know why.
I mean, we've got a lot done in one day. We really did. But the second I saw that, I was like, oh, yeah.
Yeah, we have to call. So I'm gonna send this over to Ken, and then we'll probably have a call with him maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
I've got a meeting with Tom in the morning.
Okay.
I'm going to my parents in the morning tomorrow instead of Wednesday. So,
Yep.
maybe we'll have a 12:30 or so call.
Yeah, because I mean, even the wood itself is
Well, it shouldn't be there anyway. But
dry rotted.
yeah, this is insane.
Because I mean, from what I can tell, I mean, until I start really smashing that out, there's no way I'm gonna know.
This is nuts.
Yeah, it is. It's absolutely crazy.
All right. Well,
But on that note, Ken, I hate to be the bearer of bad news on this one.
but
So we're on a temporary hold with the top
Yeah.
until you let us know what you want to do. But we can still go with the build for the moment.
Yep.
And keep getting things done and keep the progression going until we can figure out a good way to tackle this.
Yes.
So that we can go with our plan A or whatever plan B may be that you decide. So, but yeah, just figured we'd give you an update.
alrighty.